What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So today I got off work a little bit early, so I decided maybe we'll kind of just go walk around a little bit. We're gonna head to Ethel M's Chocolate Factory. So it's another little attraction here in Las Vegas. It's not on the strip itself. It's in a little city called Henderson, which is a little bit a ways away. It's about maybe a 15-minute drive or so. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Cool, so there's an actual cactus garden, a tasting room, gift shop, demonstration area. Let's go inside and look around. I found this one weird looking one. If you look at it, there's actually a bird's nest in it. Right there. That's crazy. It's like trying to leave your door and get pricked in the ass every time. Yo, this spike on this prickly pear is so long. Let me compare it to my finger. Right there. That is like a 2-inch spike. That would suck. I think you could literally make like a little spear out of it, or like a little arrow to catch animals. If you're ever just kind of bored in Las Vegas, really, this is honestly quite a nice little walk around. It's free, it's a little different, it's clean, and it's not as noisy as the rest of Las Vegas, like right on the strip itself. For something that sounds as boring as a cactus garden, it really isn't that boring. There's a lot of different, like this thing, like weird ass cactuses everywhere, so it's actually kind of cool to look at. A little bit less boring than I thought it would be. But yeah, now that we've done kind of a once around, let's go into the actual chocolate area itself and see how they do it. Kind of buy some. I've eaten today. I am kind of hungry, so we'll see. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Did you make a sample?
Maybe in a little bit. Thank you. So this is a pretty cool little chocolate fountain. It looks like it's fake, but it is actually pouring. It is moving. That's pretty cool. And it's in both vanilla and chocolate. You can see all the tables where they pour all the chocolate out. And what's nice is they give you free chocolate right when you walk in. You don't have to wait till the end. Here's where they melt all the chocolate. And here is where they're actually packaging all the different chocolates. You can see them building boxes. That's pretty cool. I am here a little late though, so I don't think I'll see them actually making any chocolates. That probably happens earlier in the morning. But this is pretty cool just to kind of see. Yeah, those chocolate coins that they just gave me for free. They didn't give me a whole bag, just a piece of each. Chocolate dip. Yeah, chocolate dip marshmallows. More chocolate dip marshmallows. A chocolate dip orange slice. That's pretty cool. Chocolate dip pretzels, brownies, red velvet cupcakes. So this little vat right here is melted chocolate as well. And a chocolate tasting room. So you can actually try all the different kinds. I wonder how much that is. That'd be really cool to actually like do with the wife. That'd be kind of fun. And then finally we are going into the gift shop area. That's where they sell all the chocolate you want to eat. And these are more just souvenirs. A large chocolate hockey puck. That's kind of cool. Nuts, caramels, cream liqueur, satin creams, cherry cordials. More or less the same. Brittles, mixed brittles. Chocolate bars. Pecan brittle. Oh look, there's even a box of chocolate you can take pictures with. That thing's pretty huge. It's like 7 feet tall. There's their standard chocolate bars. Milk caramel, dark chocolate, sugar-free dark bar, milk chocolate, mint, lemon. I think this one's a marshmallow? Dark, nougat, and caramel dark chocolate bar. And then white chocolate. 4 for $10. I may actually grab a few. Let's grab nougat and dark, a mint, a white, and a dark. That should be a good amount to try. Okay, I really can't help it. We're gonna buy a few more just for the hell of it. Milk chocolate. Caramel milk chocolate. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So one more. Yeah, we're gonna get a Mars bar. Got a bunch of coins. They have a crazy truffle variety. Chocolate hearts. White chocolate pumpkin spice. That looks pretty good. Dark chocolate sea salt caramel. How much are these? 25 bucks for 12 pieces. Milk chocolate macadamia, almond butter crisp, coconut delight. And it's the same thing on this side. We got a sampler. That looks pretty cute. Satin creams, espresso beans, dark chocolate almonds. I wonder what a dark chocolate espresso bean tastes like. Milk chocolate dipped cherries. Yeah, don't think I'll like that. Cool. Yeah, that was pretty much it. It's actually quite small for such a big building. It's just one long hallway and there's just a bunch of seating space. So there isn't really too much there. I did buy some chocolates and they come in this nice little bag right here. They actually give you an ice pack. So 4 for 10 bucks. That's 8 for 20. And then you get a little ice pack to go with it that you can probably actually reuse. And those are usually like $1 or $2. So it's actually not that expensive. Like, it actually looks like a pretty high quality ice pack. It's not like some dinky thing. But yeah, that was pretty much it for FLM's Chocolate Factory. Like usual, please like, subscribe, blah blah blah. It was kind of short tour, but it was quite fun. Maybe next time I'll bring the wife along. We'll do one of the chocolate tastings. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, have a good one, everybody. See you next time. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. I know for this video I pointed the camera at the ground a lot. I'm still getting used to the camera that I'm using, so hopefully in the next few videos you'll see like a little improvement there. I'll try not to point everything right at the ground so you can actually see what's going on. But other than that, you guys have a good one.